Okay, so I'm outside, so I don't know how good you're gonna see this, but I've got a problem with thieves, right? I've talked about it several times. Guys come out and steal all my hard-earned stuff so they can go get high, right? So I got the opportunity to review this Nulock. It is like a bicycle lock, but it's Bluetooth, and it's got an alarm. Now I wouldn't use this out at the land because Bluetooth only works to about 300 feet, but for things like my sawmill that is sitting outside my house, this will work good. So they also have a solar charger and a hidden Wi-Fi cam and a Bluetooth speaker and all sorts of stuff over here, right? Strive to bring innovation. Okay, so here's the lock, typical bike lock. It's got a wire cable coated in plastic, and it sticks in here. Probably ought to read the instructions first before I do it, but it is it's Bluetooth, right? So it says batteries are already installed, and that if you try to unscrew it, it's going to make the alarm go off unless you know, it's set, right? You know, to your phone, because it's a Bluetooth phone. So let us look right quick at the instructions. It comes with the owner's manual, a warranty card, all sorts of little stuff, right? If you cut the cable, it sets the alarm off. If you take it apart, it sets the alarm off. If you try to move it or vibrate it, it sets the alarm off. It's waterproof. It's 110 decibels. And it has a patent. Okay, so install the battery. Unit will beep twice. Screw in the battery, cover the lock. Okay. It's got an app. An iPhone or Android app. Let me go to the App Store. Search for Nulock. It's got a cool little, one of those little newfangled barcodes. But I'm old-fashioned, so I'm gonna just type in Nulock. Alright, didn't take me very long, but I didn't want you to spend the time of me trying to connect this thing to Wi-Fi. So, it connects in, you put the app on, you stick the alarm on, you know, it's locked, press the alarm button, then it beeps, and it says input the password. It's got a password that comes with it, and I'm not going to tell you what it is, but I bet it's pretty simple, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 kind of thing. Confirm. Okay, my smart lock is connected. So it says to manually unlock, I enter the main screen, and I hit unlock button, and I can unlock it. Lock it back. It's unlocked. Okay. Now it's locked. And it tells me whether it's locked or unlocked on my app, right? Once again, unlock. Open it up, right? Bam. There it is. Now it's locked. So this was about $40, $38.99 or something like that. I probably need to play with it a little bit, but for having something like outside your house, maybe to a generator or you know, a trailer with an RV or something, a four-wheeler, this will keep somebody, because if they come and mess with it, it beeps at on your phone, right? If you're like me, keep your phone everywhere you go. So if I'm in the house and somebody comes up, tries to steal my stuff, it'll let me know. The only problem is it's Bluetooth, so it's only good for about 300 feet. So you have to keep that
Hey, Dad.
in mind.
Hey, Daddy.
What, William?
When it was doing that beep, was that the alarm going off?
What?
When it was doing that beep, was the alarm going off?
Yeah, the alarm was going off.